going to the Beyoncé concert this week, and I want to do nails that are very silver, chrome inspired. I recently got these nail charms, these planet nail charms on Amazon, and I've been wanting to use them. So I was scrolling through Pinterest for some ideas, and I found this chrome inspired with crosses, planets, a little dark, if you will, but I've been really into this type of vibe recently, maybe even some crocodile print. But I'm super inspired to do something chrome, silver, something with the planet charms. Maybe I'll add some gemstones, use chrome, of course. So I'm gonna try to do one of those inspired looks today using the Gel X nail extension kit. I'm gonna be using the Sculpted Square Long. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my nails, prep, prime, shape off camera, and then we'll come and do the design together. Alright, so I have the tips on now. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my filer to sharpen up the square tip a little bit more, because I like my squares really sharp. To begin this design, I'm gonna start with just creating a black French tip. So for my base color, I'm gonna use the Mamita color. If I find the name of the color, I'll put it down in the description box. But I just really like this color because it's super nude. It's like the perfect brown nude for me. So I'm gonna put that on all of my nails, and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I think I'm gonna go in with one more thin layer. Now I'm gonna start with the French tip. This is the Beatles Gel Polish in the color A860. This is what I'm gonna use to make my black French tips before I put the chrome on it. I have a little jar here filled with acetone to clean up my French tips. If you want to look at my French tip tutorial, check out my last nail video. But I'm also going to be using this flat brush that I got, honestly, from Michael's or something. Any art store will sell them. I like to use them as my nail brushes because it's super flat. And it works really nice to carve out my French tips. I also have this super tiny Beatles UV nail lamp to flash cure each nail in between the design so I don't mess it up. I'm going to start with the thumb. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I'm just going to go ahead and cure again to make sure that the sides are fully cured. This is the Beatles Mirror Nail Powder, and it comes with it's like a whole kit. It comes with an entire set of chrome colors that you can choose from. On the back of the tube, they show you the different colors of how your nails are going to look once you use the chrome powder. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. It's almost rainbow, but it's very chrome, giving silver vibes, so that's the one I'm going to go with. The kit also comes with these little eyeshadow brushes so you can rub on the chrome. Be super careful because these are filled to the brim. So you just pack it on, and then I'm going to rub it on the nail. Alright, and this is what it looks like. I honestly love it. It's so colorful, very chrome. So after you finish rubbing off or rubbing on the chrome color, I'm gonna just clean it up with some of the acetone again. After I wiped off the chrome, I'm gonna go in with the Amelie No Wipe top coat. It's important to use a no wipe top coat because this will seal in the design. So I'm gonna put this on the nail and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Wow, you can see the color peeking, so beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, and here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my nails, and then we'll start placing gems and the nail charms as well. So while I was doing the rest of this hand, I found it easier to wipe off the excess chrome with 75 or 100% isopropyl alcohol. This is what the nails are looking like so far. I'm obsessed, like especially in the sun, they have like the rainbow look to them. Based off of this nail design, I really like the way that the gems look with this silver chrome. I also like the use of gems in this picture. I don't know if you can really see, but you have some rhinestones as well as the planet gems. So I think I'm going to try to recreate something more like this. I'm going to be using the nail charms that I got from Amazon. And then I also found some rhinestones that I've used over the years. They have, in this pack, there are the colorful rainbow gemstones, and then there's just the silver one. So I think I'm going to go with the silver one for this look. But I think I'm going to start off by placing one of these gems in the center of my nail. And to adhere these gems, I'm gonna try nail glue. I also have the gel polish nail glue, so I'm hoping that either one works really well. I might use the nail glue for the rhinestones, and then I'll try to use the nail glue for the planet gems. I also have these super tiny tweezers to help me pick up the gems and the rhinestones. Honestly, I'm just gonna use the end of this cuticle pusher to take some of the glue out. Okay. I'm going to take one of the silver gemstones and just place it on there. Oh my gosh, it's looking super cute already! Oh, I'm obsessed. I think I'm going to do some rhinestones around this finger. I'm going to start by just applying a thin layer around the tip of my nail, or around the French tip of my nail. So I'm going to go in with size number 12 around the French tip. I like this way better, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that. Alright, so they're on there pretty secure. For my pointer finger, I'm going to use the crosses, one here and maybe one up here. So I'm going to take the nail glue again. Also, I am running out of nail glue, so it's kind of hard. So sorry, y'all, my camera died. So in the meantime, I did the chrome French tips for my other hand. For these next nails, I kind of want to do, I might do another planet, or I could do a cross. So I think I'm going to do another cross just right in the middle over here. This is what they're looking like so far. They are so cute. For my thumb now, I'm going to add another planet, But this time I'm gonna add some jewels around it. So that is how that is looking. Sorry, it's like a weird position. Now I think I'm gonna do the gemstones. I'll do a big one here, smaller ones around. I'm gonna go in with size 9 for the big one, 10 and 12 for the other sizes. This is how the thumb is looking. Super cute. So I think I'm gonna add rhinestones throughout my nails, just to glam it up a little bit, because I feel like this is a little too toned down for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add rhinestones all throughout, similar to how I did for this nail. I might even add a little cross right here. If I can make it fit, we'll see what my vibe is as I'm doing it. This is how the first hand is looking with the thumb. It's a weird position again, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my other hand and then I'll come and show y'all the final product. Alright you guys, so I finished the second hand and this is what they look like. I think that I'm ready for the concert now with this look. I feel like it's giving summer renaissance vibes, but I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me show you how they look out in the sun because you can see the chrome, the rainbow chrome.